Hi! In front of me is Asus ROG Phone 6D, and today I would like to show you how you can use App Cloner. First of all, you need to open Settings and scroll down just a bit to access Advanced. Then select Twin Apps and click on the switcher next to one of those available ones that you wish to clone, like Facebook. If you see blue sweater next to your app, that means that it was successfully cloned. So when I go back, I can see that my app is now cloned. If you wish to delete this clone, you can access the same settings and tap on blue sweater next to your app. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!